much taller actress, but that's the fun in the interview. Faria, thank you so much for giving us your time. You look absolutely gorgeous today. What a form-fitting gown you're wearing. Could you just tell us who exactly you're wearing tonight?
So I'm wearing Amit GT, and I think his style is very statement-ish. So I'm very excited about wearing him today.
Has there ever been a day, where you were not into fashion and you still managed to look absolutely stunning as you are right now?
That is only because I have the confidence that even if I wear clothes, I'll be fine.
Okay, so even chapri clothes, can look a lot classier when you're wearing them.
Chapri clothes, I love. That is my personal style.
Personal style, and what would all be included in that section of style?
Oversized t-shirts, track pants, baggy jeans. But that would be
So
part
there's definitely fashion, that takes precedence over comfort for you most of the times.
of it. Yeah, it's like 55, 45.
55% of fashion and 45% of comfort. All right, that's how you look best all the time. Okay, let's now come to movies and let's now come to entertainment. How exactly has that changed, let's say, with the advent of all the digital platforms, that are now available? Things can be easily moving on your fingertips, and attention span is also now, decreasing. So how has that really impacted the actor's life?
I feel like a lot of actors are getting a lot more opportunities because of that, and that is great because we have a bigger talent pool to work with, and you have more access to upcoming directors, producers, and so many people who might have not been able to have the chance earlier, right? Apart from that, yes, the decreased attention span for sure. I feel very sad and a part of that culture because we are in the internet generation and Instagram is, reels, shorts, all of it is a part of our lives. But I feel like because of that, the whole world is dancing, the whole world is laughing, and it brings people together. I feel it's a great way to.
And Devra has also released today. Imagine there's immense anticipation. There's been immense anticipation about the film. How are you seeing, these movies getting pan-India love and the appreciation that it's getting the world over?
There's so much cross connection happening in our country right now, and I feel like it's such a brilliant time to be part of the industry. You feel like all of the actors and people who are part of the industry are like your peers, and which is a great feeling for someone who's come from no background space. So I'm very grateful to be.
And my last question, if there's any Bollywood actor that you would like to collaborate with, who would that be?
Vicky Kaushal?
Oh, that's so nice. Have you also been grooving to Toba Toba then?
Of course, who hasn't?
Can we see you do the step? Whatever. I mean, you could just be doing some. Why we asked you, because that's what the IFA press conference today was all about. It was all about Vicky Kaushal and making people do Toba Toba. So I'm sure when he'll see this, he'll be absolutely excited and happy. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.